get into it. It's your boy Corey. I know y'all have not maybe seen me in a while, but I'm still grinding, doing everything behind the scenes. I'm bringing content and also working on a lot of my other businesses. So as the channel continues to grow, you'll see a lot of different parts of me. I hope to come soon, but again, just working and getting it in. So let's transition to what we're gonna talk about today, which is beard care for us in this season of transitioning to fall and winter. Gonna do a quick trim up of the beard to get things right, but a very low cost maintenance of just maintaining the beard for the bros. I know a lot of people always talk about beards being brittle, and I wanna give you some game. So let's get into it. Real men get it done. A couple of things that every man has to be paying attention to with their beard is the brittleness of it, and to maintain and keep it healthy from the get-go. So a couple of things you have to do with your beard care to make sure you're straight before you put any product into your beard on a daily basis. And that's how you wash your beard. So a very low cost maintenance that I love, first and foremost, I like a microfiber towel that doesn't really pull and grab at your hair. That's a game changer to have, a good microfiber towel and a good wash for your beard. So I use Kirk's. I love Kirk's because this is a coconut soap. It's for sensitive skin, and since it has coconut oil and aloe vera, it comes in a body wash and a bar form. It does not dry out your skin. Believe me, there's a lot of, and it's a little expensive. It may be a little expensive for some of the stuff that y'all use, but it's free of a lot of the other crap that dries out your skin. So again, fragrances, sulfates, glutens, colorants, a lot of those things that help the body washes and things that we use as men suds up is really bad for our skin, for our hair. But it is what it is. We use this stuff, it has good fragrance, and we don't realize how detrimental it is for us, especially maintaining our beards. So I love Kirk's because you can use it for your entire body, for your head if you have any, for your beard, for your body, and it won't dry out your skin or your hair. So my routine, I love having my beard washed in lukewarm water. So whether I'm in the shower or the sink before I hit the shower, lukewarm water. I think the hot water, it just can strip a lot of your nutrients out. So for me, lukewarm water, using some Kirk's, using my microfiber towel, and I'm in there to make sure that my beard is getting taken care of before I put any product into it. And then outside of that, I'm gonna do a trim. But the other key thing, again, we're talking about low cost maintenance for the fall and winter month. Outside of Kirk's, I have my own beard oil that I created. I'll hit the link for this. You can buy anything you want, bros, but I created this off the dollar store. It's like a $5 bottle that lasts me several months. Some people tried to hate on me when I initially did my oil and was like, well, all that oil that you're using isn't real oil. Believe me, some of the other stuff that may be out there isn't quote unquote real oil, but it does its job, bros. I mean, if you want to go and buy a $30 bottle of oil, do you? But if you're looking for a low cost maintenance, at least try it. See what it is. You can maybe use it from the dollar store, or even go somewhere else and get a couple of oils that may be a little bit more expensive, but still will be cheaper than going out and just buying this same amount of oil from a manufacturer. So just try it. Low cost method of maintaining the beard. So that's about it. The wash that I do daily, I do like a gentle wash daily because I always am at the gym, just in my daily grind. So I want to do a gentle wash, which is like a quick rinse of the beard using a little bit of Kirk's, and then maybe once a week a full deep clean where I'll get in there a couple of minutes of work of getting the beard, and then that full deep clean. So deep clean once a week, general wash every day. So those are my 2 tips for low cost maintenance. Let's get into it. I'm about to show you my routine. So my trusty tool, a little bit more game, wood for your beard. Metal and plastic tend to pull and could irritate your beard a little bit, but a good wood comb as you get a thicker beard, wooden pick has done me wonders for my beard that I've had the past few years. Nice and fresh. Quick lineup, and then I'm gonna finish up with my beard oil. Now I will tell brothers, if it's your first time and as you're getting to learn how to maintain and even edge up your beard, line it up, again, just take, I encourage every man to experiment, because again, if your hair grows fast like mine, going to the barbershop every week is it's a waste of money, real talk. I mean, $30, $40 every pop, every time I go, you know what I'm saying? Because my hair grows back really fast. So it's important for me to be able to maintain it. And I've played around with it. Been cutting my hair since high school. So I know a little bit, but my beard's gotten so big in the past couple of years, I do like to go to the barber to make sure he can get me right. But it's okay to experiment. Get you some clippers. These are my Andes Fade Masters, my Andes Slimline Pro, to do a little bit of just shaping of the beard, and then like, you know, getting your lining and stuff right so it should look good. But hey, just experiment, take a little bit off the top, go to your barber, mix it up. But the most important thing is just maintaining a healthy beard through this season. All right, y'all. I got it good enough to where I want it now. Again, I go to a barber because sometimes I can't see all the angles. And I just want it to be done right. I don't want to take too much off of my beard. But just trying to get some of the scraggly hairs and just make sure I'm decent for the next time that I get a chance to go back to the barber. So my last step in this process is my oil. Get some in my hands. Get it in my beard. And my routine is to get some oil. Again, after I wash my hair for a shower at night, to get some oil in the beard, and then first thing in the morning. But this really helps my beard to maintain and be manageable, and keeps it to be soft as well with everything that I mentioned today. There it is. Low cost method for our beard. A little bump patrol to get underneath my neck. And I'm good to go. All right, so next time, y'all, keep rocking with your boy, leaving those comments, suggestions, feedback for others, so we can grow and level up together. So next time, peace and God bless. Real men get it done.